This is probably, well, I say this a lot of times, but I'm going to say it again. This is probably my most favorite build this week. I love everything about this build. I love the exterior color. It has that military-esque feel. The exterior, the paint color is a medium green. It's a very earth tone green. It's like a green moss. That it's not too dark, it's not too light. But I can assure you that when I am coming up behind someone and they look in their rear view mirror and they see the broken beam headlights, that's a very staple of a Helderburg, and that matte black grille and the matte black bumper and this green, they're going to feel like it's a military vehicle approaching them, much like a Viper jet. I don't know what a Viper jet is. I don't even know if that exists, but it just has that really cool military feel to it. It's a masculine feeling. It's a regal feeling. It's a military feeling. And it's a beautiful color, the exterior. And then if we talk about the interior, this interior stirs my soul. And working with the client, I had a lot of fun working on the interior. And he's a pleasure. Because I said, let's do something completely different. Caramel patina or caramel vintage. Because it is a caramel color, but it has a vintage feel, that it looks like a Chesterfield sofa that has been used for years, that it's taken on that patina, the kind of the worn marks, that it has a little bit of how do you explain it? It just looks like a sofa that's been used but not abused. The color is bright, and then I did the contrast interior just a little brighter than the caramel. And it's plush, it's comfortable, it's very luxurious. It feels like a glove leather, but it is that thicker leather. So Owen can have his dogs climbing all over the interior, and he doesn't have to worry about its longevity. It will take the abuse, and it will only get prettier as time goes on. Talking about the power plant, it is the 300 TDI that's been performance tuned. Right now we're doing between 65, 70 miles an hour. I'm on the highway right now. And I have plenty more power. I'm giving it very little accelerator right now. We are climbing a hill. It's a 5-speed manual transmission. We do offer an automatic transmission too. And it has the sound deadening. I can hear the engine, but it's not overly loud. I don't have to talk loud for the passenger. I can hear the audio fine. He does have the mid-range hi-fi audio system, which is the large 11-inch display screen with a backup camera. It does have Apple and Android Auto. It has hands-free calling with the speaker in the headliner here. It has the analog gauges that are LED backlit. It is a full-time 4-wheel drive, one in the front, one in the rear. Pulling, we can change in the transfer case and lock everything in. It is a limited slip differential. And it's a joy to drive. Over the last few days, I've been driving this one a lot. I've probably put about 400 miles on it because I'm enjoying it that much. It's sitting on a lift, approximately 2 3/4, almost 3 inches of lift under it. It has 35-inch tires. The wheels are bead locker style wheels, which are 12.5 inches wide. And I believe it has the Goodrich KM3s on it, which are a mud terrain tire. So you get a little bit of that tire noise, but like I said, I'm doing 70 miles an hour right now. So, but you don't lose that iconic feel. You notice how precise the steering is, that it's very accurate. And let me talk about the audio system just a little more. It does have tweeters in the dash, which are the beryllium tweeters in the dash. It has mid-range in the lower dash. It has the component speakers in the seat boxes, the crossovers in the seat boxes, because it is a component system. It has a custom subwoofer box under the center console in the second row. And then it has coaxials in the very rear. So it is a very full sound system. It does have USB-C in the dash, USB-C in the center console, USB-C in the rear console for the passengers in the back. Or it does have the 2 high back seats, which are stadium seating. So passengers in the back are sitting up high. They're able to see over the driver and the passenger up front. Has the thicker glass. So that helps on the insulation, the sound deadening. And then the headliner in here just brings the color in. It's a fawn color headliner, so it keeps the cabin very bright. Such a pleasure to drive. The colors, fantastic. And if you want to know more of like what it's like to drive a Helderburg, then I would say sign up for my private video series, which is the Ultimate Buyer's Guide. I'll tell you everything from what it's like to drive a Helderburg, to if you can drive it on any highway, to what it's like to insure it, and I'll answer all your questions. So with that said, I'm going to go back to enjoying the drive.